Right now the price of Shiba Inu coins is very strong, and as you can see we are trying a break of that 1800 point mark per coin. It looks great. The chart you're looking at now is for 5 minutes. Now look at the 30-minute chart, it's also very strong. Hourly picture, it looks like prices are going up. What about the daily chart? This goes back to March, but let's get closer because it's after the break. The falling wedge has been the subject of much discussion for the better part of this year. Shiba Inu coin was going up less, right? It found support at around 1200 points per coin and is now starting to break out of the falling wedge. It is moving up and making new lows. That trend is still going strong, as you can see. It did blow up a little after we got off that level. We did go back down to see if that mean trend line held true. We are once again above it and our worth is going up. But guys, in this video we're going to talk about how the price of Shiba Inu coin has changed. Also we're going to talk about the fact that a SHIB blast might be coming soon. Also you must see Flocker's symbol if you haven't already. Let's begin. If it sounds like something you'd be interested in. Hey everyone, it's Clay. As you can see we have Flockers on the screen right now. If you want to earn 2687% staking prizes, click on them. Flocker's token could be right for you if you want to make 27 times your money without doing anything but stake it. Click on that link at the bottom of the description or in the message that was pinned. This site is going to come up right now. It is very simple. When I use Wallet Connect, I like to read this QR code with my Trust wallet on my phone. After that, all I have to do is choose how much I want to buy. That means that if you want to get 500 USDT, you will get 81,017 Flocker's tokens. Guesses about prices. A lot of people think Flockers will do very well. We can talk more about those price predictions in a different movie. We'll talk more about them in a moment. But first we need to talk about Shiba Inu coin and what's going on with it, because it's very strong right now. A symmetrical triangle pattern on the chart shows that the price of Shiba Inu coin is getting close to a point where a big move may be about to happen. So when an asset leaves the triangle's bounds, these patterns have shown in the past that volatility made traders on the SHIB are now waiting for a big change in trend. At the moment, the price of SHIB is staying stable in the range that is shrinking around the triangle. This tightening usually comes before a big move in either way. When the asset breaks out, the pace of these patterns tends to pick up quickly, which could cause the price to go up a lot. When it comes to SHIB, the price may go through the roof if it breaks above the absolutely. What do you know? It all began in March. And like the image you just saw, but their chart makes it hard to see. But wait, what do you know? It's hard to see on theirs, so let me pull it back up. I'll show you what they're looking at on mine. You can see that I've hit the higher lows. But they also made a graph of these new lower highs from this drop. That began at the end of September, right after the huge rise that brought us to this point. It doesn't bother me that the highs have been lower for 2 weeks in a row. But this is the perfect triangle that they're talking about. I still think the rising trend line is more important. They think there will be a big rise coming up when Shiba Inu coin breaks up above this level, which is happening today. Now there will be some pushback at the 1850 point per coin range. You can see that it has been tapped, might be tapped again. Before 2100 points per coin, there will be a big amount of resistance. That's a very strong sign, but I'm showing you this so you can get a better idea of what they're talking about when they talk about that new perfect triangle. From there it says that tokens may try to make a bigger move at the first barrier level, which is around 1800 points per coin, which is exactly where we are now. After that it's 2000 points per coin and more. SHIB may go up again, like it did earlier this year, if more people are bullish and more trades support the move. I really hope it does. Finally, it's important to keep in mind that SHIB could go back to the 1500 point per coin level. As long as this doesn't stay above support levels, the value could drop even more if the price doesn't stay where it is. Okay, but as long as Bitcoin is doing well, and it is doing very well right now, as long as Bitcoin is going up, so should Shiba Inu coins. The story then talks about SHIBs. This is so funny. Look at these hats. This is what happens to your body after drinking a shot of olive oil right before bed. I don't know if this is a coincidence or not, This girl is just drinking some olive oil. That being said, Shiba Inu coin is looking very bullish, and this piece says it might be about to make a big breakout. Now, the Shiba Inu coin is going up even more, whether it tries 2000 points per coin, 4000 points per coin, or new all-time highs. The whole meme coin market will be moving along with it. Right now, the pre-sale for Flocker's token has raised $649,000. The price is still very strong, and it will go up in the next 18 hours and 35 minutes. If you guys want to buy, please do it earlier so you can get a better price. That's what these guys are all about and what makes them unique. They're making a platform that lets you vote and make money, which gives you power. It says to buy now during the early pre-sale to get these huge bonuses. And 2681% or 87% is a huge price, right? But in these DAO tokens or decentralized communities, the vote is usually held by a small group of people called whales, for instance. If you remember Shibarium's most recent vote, $100,000 will be split between 4 people. That vote was made by 4 people. Now, I think that the 4 of them were in charge of the $1,000, and Shidoshi and Cal voted to take control of that money. You wouldn't have the same issue with a fake group like Flockers, because everyone has a reason to vote, even the little guys. There may be some whales, but if you don't trust the process and think your vote doesn't matter, you probably won't cast it. But every vote counts when you use a Flockers ticket. There will be a prize for every vote. For those of you who are late to the game and want to buy a lot of cryptocurrency, whether it's new tokens like Flockers or old tokens like Shiba Inu coin, the KS exchange is one of the best I've seen in a long time. I just started using it. Yes, there are links for this down there. If you use the ad link, you can get a bonus of up to 370 USDT. But their choice of joke coins is why I like them so much. It doesn't matter if you scroll through, you'll see all of the best memes from Solana, Ethereum, Tron, or Ton. You can go outside, and you guys know I love my mom and dad, right? Yes, you can buy mother and daddy tokens on the K6 market. If you want, you can also buy them with borrowed money. I want to know what you're up to. Are you building up? Tell me in the comments below, and have a great day until we meet again.